Hello kids! In this video you will learn colors name and also their spelling. So let's start the video. It's a green color. G-R-E-E-N green. It's a red color. R-E-D red. It's a yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow. It's a blue color. B-L-U-E blue. It's a pink color. P-I-N-K pink. Now this one is purple color. P-U-R-P-L-E purple. It's a black color. B-L-A-C-K black. This is white color. W-H-I-T-E white. It's orange color. O-R-A-N-G-E orange. It's a chocolate color. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E chocolate. Now it's a aqua color. A-Q-U-A aqua. And this one is golden color. G-O-L-D-E-N golden. Hope you learned them well. Thank you for watching.